I cancelled 20 AI tools and I replaced them with just one. And if you are somebody who has been using AI to help you grow on social media, create your content, your captions, your hooks, your scripts, and you've been using AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT, AI generators, AI schedulers, you will know, just like me, how expensive that can be. And quite frankly, when you're running a business, you want to get the most amount of bang for your buck, let's be honest. First of all, I want you to tell me in the comments section how much money you are spending every single month, or have been spending every single month, on AI tools. And the honesty for me was that I was spending, as I said, over £100. I say a couple of hundred in total. And when it came to creating content, I was still getting a little bit stuck. Now, I coach a lot of business owners, creating online businesses, growing their income online, but also content coaching. And sometimes, as a company owner and a coach and someone that runs 9 brands myself, I get times in my head when I'm like, oh, I cannot think anymore. I want someone to go and do the thinking for me. Just tell me what I need to be like talking about, and I'm going to go and post it. Because actually being in the thought process to create content, and having all of those ideas and all of those scripts can be draining. And when you mix being tired with some of your tasks, it means generally sometimes the content just doesn't happen. So what I actually did is I went and I built an AI tool, unlike any others, and I'm going to be showing you inside of it. So what I found out whilst I was working with lots of content creators and business owners is when it came to creating their content, even though my company would provide them with content plans, and if they were in my private mentoring program, they would still have their content plan written pretty much for them, they would still waste time being inside of things like ChatGPT, trying to regenerate even more prompts so they can mass produce their content. Now, I'm not a fan of mass producing content because I feel that it just feels completely unauthentic. And particularly in the online world, things move very fast. So you could be wasting time really like batching content for months on end when like whatever you're talking about could literally change the next day, which would mean all the content you've been creating is going to be pretty worthless and pretty unrelatable. And today, content needs to be really relative and relatable for it to be successful. So you imagine content creators, business owners spending about 20 minutes a day inside a ChatGPT, then having to go off and create the content. They're spending like an hour, 2 hours a day sometimes. This tool that I'm going to show you, it's called Nubia Creator Studio. It cuts all of that down. So let's have a little look inside. So the page itself is really cool. I love how I've designed the page. There we go. And you're in the right place. I show you actual results as well from some of my content that I have created and been successful in, as you can see, using Creator Studio itself. It tells you a little bit about it, etc., etc. So once you've joined Creator Studio, here we go, you'll find yourself literally inside the tool itself. Now here it has an offer builder, and every single piece of this this tool actually works in relation to who you are and what you're putting in it, and it saves it all. So it saves all of the information on your local device, I might add, so that you can come back to it, so that you can, remember what was successful. For example, all of this saved content here that I've done, but it works a lot of things out for you. So you have your offer builder. If you're someone that doesn't know how to create content or what content you should be creating when you're promoting content for an offer that doesn't feel like salesy. If you're someone that struggles to sell on lives, particularly TikTok, it's very much about live selling on TikTok. But if you are on TikTok and you are selling digital products or services, you can't just be as open as they are when they're selling, or lots of creators are when they're selling physical products. So there's a special way that you need to be doing it on TikTok so you don't get banned. So it will give you all of that there. It will generate the whole plan for you. There is going to be things there: DM scripts, captions, story scripts, hooks, absolutely everything here. Your scripts for Reels, which you could also use for TikTok. It has an objection handler, and it even writes your bios, your ideas for content, and it gives you a complete 30-day content like schedule. So you're going to know exactly what hooks, the scripts, the keywords, the metadata, very important, and lots of other things too. Now, the extra thing we've done is we've built in our very own logarithm ranker. Now, this logarithm ranker is something normally I really reserve just for private clients. So this is a real biggie, and this makes sure that your content starts ranking in the right niche for your audience. TikTok is terrible for making people go viral and showing that content then to the wrong audience, and that literally kills all of your SEO. It makes it really difficult to try and rank again in the niche that you want to be like known for, or the keywords you want to be known for. Now, alongside all of that, obviously you've got your growth tracker. It tracks all of that. You can log it for the week. And then we have here the content vault. So inside the content vault, there are extra things, caption packs, Canva templates, email sequences, all sorts of different things. We even have our very own studio wear. So that's really cool. Phones, t-shirts, all sorts of stuff like that. So if you love content like I love content, you're just going to love the content vault because I love it. Now, in addition to that, I'm also doing the Creator Live Lounge. So I used to do this a few years ago. It's really popular, but then I got so busy with my brands that, yeah, I just couldn't do it. But I've had to learn how to outsource a little bit and take on some hires. So now I'm doing the live lounge again. People loved it when I did the live lounge. So in the live lounge, this is literally where I will either go through a technical process, either editing or something within like Creator Studio or CapCut or whatever it is you're using to edit videos. I will also maybe talk about something else. So if you come to the live lounge and it's specific to like creator growth, content growth, business growth, monetization, then yeah, we can talk about it, because that's where I'm there in real time. So you can ask me like in live Q&As, and I normally do about 20 to 30 minutes of Q&A at the end of any kind of demonstration that I might be doing as well. It's also a really nice place to network, because lots of creators, particularly in my community, network with like each other because they can benefit from the services that the other creators have that they may want to, you know, use. Okay, so the biggest takeaway here with the Nubia Creator Studios is this: when you are creating content every single day and you are a business owner, time is an asset, right? Time is money. If you're a business owner, you know time is money. You don't want to waste time on trialing and error, throwing spaghetti at the wall, trying different content strategies because some guru on TikTok or wherever said you should try it. You need to be looking at the data, because data does not lie. And if you look at your data enough in the Creator Studio with all of the other things you're doing in it, you will start to see an increase every single month that you're using it and training your own social media alongside all of the key assets that the Creator Live Studio is going to be giving you. Then you are going to be a lot more successful with your content. Your content is going to grow. You're going to grow an audience of within the niche that you want to be known for. And most importantly, you're going to be able to monetize it. Now, this has become a big problem, I would say, in the digital product or the coaching era over on TikTok, because TikTok has become quite an entertainment platform. You're either on the leaderboard doing TikTok lives or you're selling TikTok shop products. So these are the two main focuses that TikTok love to push. But if you're a digital product creator, or you are a coach or a consultant and you are selling services, it becomes a lot harder to be more visible on those types of platforms. Because obviously, TikTok as a marketing app, they're going to focus on creators that are going to be pushing their brand, the TikTok shop products, the TikTok shop monetization. And quite frankly, that does not suit everybody. I never promote TikTok shop products. I don't want to do that. And I know I'm not the only person as well. However, on a brand new account, and I'm going to link that video down below here, on a brand new account on TikTok, brand new, I used nothing but the Creator Studio, and content got categorized on that brand new account quicker and specifically within the niche for the audience I wanted, more than an account that I have that has 76,000 followers. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I need loads and loads of followers to make an impact, no, you don't. I would say it's actually, in some cases today, on platforms like TikTok, because we have SEO clustering, which is where they want you to create lots of content really in the same niche. But if you've had an account that's grown since TikTok has, been, and you've got various different content or videos and content and with different niches when you were trying things out and growing, it basically confuses the algorithm, and it's really, really difficult to get your account, least of all your content, categorized in the right niche. But if monetizing is what you want to do, growing your social media to monetize, you've got to be inside Nubia Creator Studio. I'm going to leave all of the details down below. And don't forget to leave in the comments, like I said at the start of this video, how much money are you spending on like AI software? Because Nubia Creator Studio at the time of making this video is £27. Found in price is probably going to go up to 35, 37. I want to keep it at that because I want you to use it every single day, because I know that's how you're going to get the best growth. And it's a business expense, so you can write that off to the good old tax man. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.